Hey, what's up, everybody? This is Bo. Okay, today I want to review between these two products. This video is not sponsored. I just want to get a comparison of between the two brands. This is Ecoflow Delta 2, and this is the Jackery Explorer 1000. Very identical, and they serve the same purpose. And I just want to compare side by side, make a side by side comparison to help you guys if you are in the market of buying this system, and you have an idea of how they look like before you make your decision. Okay, so they both have the same 100 amps hour, which is a thousand, it's 1080 watts power. Size, first compare the size. You can see, okay, the Jackery has it's a little bit lower. Okay, I did not check the height, the length, the width, size. You can check on your own, but you can see the Ecoflow, has the side handles for carrying, and the Jackery has this kind of handle. Okay, it pops up and you carry. So you can carry with one hand, or for the Ecoflow you carry with two hands, or whatever you can handle by one hand. So, and this one folds. Okay, and as far as the length, Ecoflow is a little bit longer because of that, of the side handles. Okay, the Jackery has all these uh, plugs on one side. Okay, and for the Ecoflow, nothing on the sides. Okay, the front or the back, but it's on the side. Okay, on this side and also on this side. Okay, so what kind of plugs do they have? The Jackery has 320 watts AC outlet, and for the Ecoflow, you can see it has the 110. It has 4 and the 2 of the 120s. Okay, and also on the front side, well, this is the back side. I call it the back side because the other side is the digital screen, so that should be the front side. And the input right here. Okay, you got the AC, the AC input, and then the DC input, which is your the input from the solar panel. Okay, or oh no, this is the fuse. Okay, so your inputs right here. So on compared to the Jackery, the input on this side. Okay, you got the 9mm input, and which is a DC, and you got the AC input right here. And as far as the cable, this is the 9mm. Okay, and this one is the XT60, which this kind of cable. Okay, I don't have the cable for this, we didn't bring it, but this is the XT60. They're sold separately. This one I bought it separately, and one side is the MC4 connector. Okay, the male and female. I'm assuming this one as well, but 9mm into the other side, which is the connection to your solar panel. Okay, the MC4. Okay, back to the side. Okay, so the Jackery, again, the display and everything on one side. I'm gonna turn this around to the other side. There you go. Let's see the display. Power on. Okay, power on. There you go. As far as the display, for the Ecoflow, it's a little bit brighter and larger a little bit. Okay, it's got all the same display, input output display. It tells you how many volts or not, how many percent left. Okay, or and then you got the USB input output right here. Okay, for Ecoflow you got type USB type A. Okay, you got 4 of them. Okay. And then there's USB-C 100 watts. Okay, 2 of them, USB-C 100 watts, 2 of them. Okay. And as for the Jackery, you got the USB-A, the regular USB-B, which is 18 watts, and it doesn't say here. Okay, but it does say fast charging, so I'm assuming it's also 18 watts, between 18 or 30 watts. I gotta check that again. It could be 30. So one regular USB A, okay, and this one got 4. USB-C on the Ecoflow you got 2, and USB-C on the Jackery you also have 2. Okay, there's 100 watts and there's a 30 watt USB-C. So both of them have fast charging capability. Okay, and these are 2024 model. These are the latest models, Ecoflow Delta 2 model. Yep. What else? The weight, I don't know how much it weighs, this one, but it's about the same. I think it's about the same weight. So that would be, oh shoot, I don't know how much they weigh, but they're not heavy. Very compact, very easy to carry around. Okay, you can just, with the camper van, you can just put it under, sink under. It fits under the seat. Okay, passenger seat. Yeah, very compact. And also the 12-volt cigarette light socket here, and this one also has the same thing. Okay, and all of them have separate switch. If you want to turn on the AC outlet, you got the switch right here, and also switch right here. Okay, that's just to save you some power from just leaving it on all the time. Okay, there's a main switch for power on, and then you can turn on if you want to use USB only. There's a power switch for it, and if you want to turn on the AC outlet, also there's a power switch for it on both systems. Okay, both brands have the same thing, so they're very identical. Again, they serve the same purpose. Okay, as far as use, we had how many times already toast, and we plugged in the tea kettle uh, twice, and about 4 times, no, 6 times toast already. um, we still have 48% in this one. We haven't used this one yet, so that's why it's still 99%. So there you go, and I hope this review comparison gives you some idea between the two if you don't have both of them at the same time available to check out. So there you go. Thank you so much. Hope you like it. This is Bo. See you next time. Bye bye.